Definition, what is mentoring? First of all, the mentor, the one that we get the resource, get the information, the knowledge from, is someone, of course, with the knowledge, with the experience. The important thing is they have an effect on someone else, okay, an effect. And usually it's a one-to-one situation. It could be conversation, it could be email, it could be a telephone call. So we don't define the media. The next thing is, okay, I'll let you read it. That's one, offer the knowledge, the insight, okay? And this is beyond their normal duty, so they don't get paid, no overtime. All right? Usually, it's those experienced engineer, they don't charge, okay, to the project when they do these things. Same in here when we have the Christian mentorship. We don't say, oh, this is a full-time ministry or whatever, it's not a paid job, and they are guaranteed to help. Now, what is the mentee? I don't like to call the mentee. Sounds like those animal, big fat animals swimming in the sea. It's actually called protege, but again, this is also difficult. Protege is not English, it's French, I think. Yeah. So, either way, you know what I mean. Okay. Now, this person is trying to get the knowledge from the mentor. All right, is maybe we should call him the disciple. Actually, the guy following the expert is the disciple, right? It happened in the old days when there's no particular training, the trading school, the trade schools. So people learn to do sewing. The tailor, they have the apprenticeship following them. So this is similar, and they have to, well, the expert, they don't set up a training class to multiple people. It's the trainee will ask or observe. So it's, the driving force is not from the mentor. The driving force is from the trainee. Okay? So here we say it makes the effort to assess, to get the knowledge or the skill out from the expert. The next thing is, it's also the person seek help, looking for help. Right? It's don't wait for the mentor to come up with something for you. There's no scheme, no training class prepared. All right? It's all you guys looking for something from your mentor. So that's the basic definition. Okay? All right, so let's do some exercise. Well, you don't have to open your Bible because I put it all up here, and unless it's an eyesight test. Can you all see it? The question is, the mentor, what did the mentor do in this process? Okay, so let's look at verse 26. Maybe you can find the answer. What did the mentor? Well, let me ask who were there? 3 names were mentioned. Who were those people? Okay. So those names are confusing. It's Priscilla, right? Priscilla and Aquila. And also the third person is no. Open your Bible. Apollo, yes, Apollo. Okay, so it's 3 people, right? 3 people. Who is the mentee or protege? Who is the protege? Oh, it is Acts 18. Sorry, it's Acts 18, verse 24 to 28, and I want you to pay particular attention to 26. Right? So who are those people? Apollo, Priscilla, Aquila, right? Now who is the mentee? Apollo. Yeah, Apollo. Okay. Now then look at the question. What did the mentor do during this process? And look at verse 26. What did they do? Okay, they explain the Bible in detail to them, right? Okay, so is that it? Can you find another place they do something as a mentor? Yes, that's in the same verse. Okay, yeah. Well, that's the first step. Okay, invite him to their place so he can explain it. They can explain it. One more thing. There's one more thing in verse 27. Encourage. That's the word. Yes, yes. So the mentor is not just teaching something, encouraging. Very important, and also they wrote a recommendation letter, right? So it is very important. So like your boss at work, right? If your boss can write you a good recommendation letter and encourage you to go to another department, don't jump to another company, okay? Into the other department, maybe you get a promotion. Right? Okay, so it's the same thing you can observe. Now the second question, this should be easier. In this process, what's the outcome? It's in the Bible, don't let me. What's the outcome?
To prove that Jesus was the Christ.
Okay, yeah, and also Apollo was able to do a lot of things, right? Towards the end of these here, right? Able to help a lot of people to know the Lord. And also the debate with the Jews. Okay, so that's the outcome, and we can see the process. It's not only a teaching, but also an encouragement. That's very important. All right. So this part is a introduction, and I want you to start to interact. The mentor and the protege start to do some exercise. Okay, then you will know each other. And I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Okay? Try to talk about, share about your teacher, maybe your previous pastor or your counselor that affects you, has an impact on your life, and then what is the outcome on it, right? Actually makes you change in your life. So share to each other. Mentor share with the protege share with the mentor. Okay, start now.